What's up, guys? Leo Pazzo TV. Thanks very much for joining me in NAB 2025. I'm gonna go around a couple of the booths over here, check out some products, share it with you guys, so come along with me, let's check it out.
What's up, guys? My name is Vaho from Camera Rigging Mods, and today we're at the Tilta booth. Tilta and I got together, we made us an amazing belt buckle product for everyday carry videographers. As you can see, you can use it a regular belt buckle, or you can use it as this belt kind of style. So let me show you how to use it. You throw this guy on, make it nice and tight. You can flip this ring, open the bottom portion of it, and this assists you with your gimbal support. When your hand's getting tired, you need to adjust settings quickly. You can just set it down right here and just resting on your waist, really comfortable. Or you can use it as a run and gun, just lift this ring up, set the tripod on it. You can do a little interview, and once you're ready to go, you just quick release the belt and start following the object or person. Also, it's future-proof. We will release some more products, so you can take this off. And we will have something like a 1/4 cheese plate in the future for different variations of products to be attached to it. You can also use this as a handheld support for small, large cameras. I personally tested with a 4D and it held pretty good. You can just set it to the side. You can place the camera right here and it will support it. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it.
Can you show me again with the gimbal? I want to see how it sits down in there.
Absolutely.
Gotta get it closer up.
Up. There we go. Comfortably sits in there. Into something real in disguise. You can wear it on you every single day. You don't even know you have it.
So let's see it take it out for a second. Put it back in.
It's a dual purpose.
And what other configuration there is?
You can go like that.
Another one, a little bit run and gun, faster.
Yeah, a little faster. Or you can flip it. Sorry, hold on, you 2 hands for that. Sometime. So, what you can have in this configuration right here is a heavier support. Oh. Or you can have his regular belt.
Wow. So I saw you last night at the B&H party and you were rocking this belt.
I was rocking this bad boy.
So not only do you use it to film with your gimbal and whatnot, you also wear it out.
Yeah, it's just your regular pants belt. I mean, you can't beat it.
Wow, that's awesome, man.
Serious.
And you go ahead, yeah.
Oh, you can also pick any belt you like. You can simply unscrew this guy right here and attach any belt you like. I probably personally would prefer some kind of a tactical heavy duty that doesn't bend as much.
Right.
But it's probably gonna come like this right here, and then it's up to you how you want to use it. So
that's very cool. And what's that called exactly?
It doesn't have a name yet.
Is that right?
As of right now, everyday carry gimbal support belt. I mean, it's too long, so we'll shorten in the future.
Yeah. You want to give me a quick breakdown on this gimbal? Like, I'm just interested. Like, did you set this up? What's the situation
This
here?
is my personal gimbal that I built for my everyday run and gun scenarios. So we got a wireless monitor from Hollyland sitting on the Sony Burano EVF adapter.
Right.
We got wireless control right here from Tilta. We can just control our gimbal. We got a V-mount battery powering everything on it. It's powering your handle, powering your camera, your monitor, and you can even run a cable from here to your remote. We got new DJI for tracking module. We got a little microphone, Canon R5C with zoom in, zoom out, Tilta Mirage box. I mean, this thing is loaded with the features. Quick release Tilta tripod. It's all Tilta. There we go.
Wow.
There's a gimbal.
That looks like a beast of a rig, man.
If you want to track it, one click, and I'm tracking you. Oh, never mind, it's still off. Here we go. Now I'm tracking you.
That looks awesome, but it one-handed too.
Huh? Oh yeah, I can do one-handed, two-handed. You can have it on the belt for your support. You can connect it to a harness system in some way or another.
So this is the DJI. What is this guy again?
Intelligent tracking module. So
That's gonna track me.
yes, it's. Have you tested it yet?
No, I haven't.
No,
Man.
check this out. Step back a little bit.
Step back a bit, he says.
Watch. We're gonna stand right here. I'm gonna put tracking sign.
Yeah.
And now it's tracking me. You can also do different hand gestures. You can put 2 different hand gestures. One responsible for tracking, one responsible for start-stop recording.
Right.
And if you use a Bluetooth connection to your camera, it will just start recording you and tracking yourself.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
Technology, man. Very cool. Thank you very much,
Technology is
bro. I
cool.
appreciate it.
Thank you, brother.
Thanks, man. Good job.
Peace.